Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment and Bolex Repair Philippines. Welcome to a Bolex H-16 Diagnosis Quickie Part 1. And this is with the loop formers here. Just want to show you that they will not close, they will not lock. Notice the button right here by my thumb, it will not pop up. And you can make adjustments, as we all know, for these two screws right here to evenly adjust the loop formers. Alright? Now, of course, the lid closes properly. There's a problem with the button right here, it's spring-loaded. And those of you who have been following my channel and all the overhauls on this H-16, you'll know that it's taken a lot of CLA and there's more to come. Now when I push this arm here for the loop formers to lock it, the button in the center does not pop up. Alright? And also when you lock the loop formers by pushing this arm here, this part under my pencil eraser of the button should line up at just above 9 o'clock, rather with this black dot under my pencil eraser. Alright? So, as an example, as you can see, I push everything in, and it doesn't, under my pencil eraser, it does line up, but the button, as you can see right there, the locking button doesn't pop up. And we'll show you some more interesting details concerning this. So the focus here is by my pencil eraser, the locking button on the loop former handle. And as you can see, I'll push the loop former handle there. I can pull it up, it does not pop up. I can push down this more, it doesn't pop up at all. So when I use my extracting tool here for that, which is a PK magnet, aim it down, pull that out, and as you can see, the button comes out. Now generally, when I push down on this now, it'll lock, except not that time, so we'll do it again. And there you go. But it's only when you aim it down. So my diagnosis is, of course, that I'm going to have to dismantle this. And there is, in the shaft up under the button, the spring-loaded mechanism is just gunked up and needs to be cleaned out and re-lubricated. And hopefully inside there, inside that shaft, everything's okay. But I get the same problem with the film counter. It sticks. And we'll get to that in a moment. But for now, I'm going to aim this down and show you how it lines up. Okay, so as you can see here, the arm does line up with the black dot marker down here under my pencil eraser just above 9 o'clock. And the button is up. And of course when I press that button, everything pops back the way it should. And yes, adjustments are going to have to be made here again to the screws over here on the loop formers. But at this point, that's really not doing too much until I clean the shaft under this button, this locking button. And if you recall, I did speak of the film counter giving the same issue. Let's take a look at that. So the film counter button trigger is right here. When you put the door on, the door depresses it down. Now when I release this, if you listen closely, there's a delayed release. And that's because the old lubricants within are holding it back. It's stuck. Do it again. Ah, there it goes. You heard it. Let's try it again. Hear it? One more time. And there you are. So my diagnosis for this, again, is I'm going to have to disassemble the loop formers to a point in the shaft under the release button, locking button for the loop formers. I have to clean that out. Got to be CLA'd, of course, as well as the film counter release. This button right here under my pencil eraser. And of course we have to get into the rest of the body, well, the inside of the camera, understand, to do the CLA. More to come, more to do, many more issues with this Bolex. Hope you've enjoyed it and learned something. Do click the bell down there and subscribe. Paul Morbid of Morbid Team Entertainment and Bolex Repair Philippines. Until next time, see ya.